What if everything you know about human origins is wrong? What if our creation is not just evolution, but a saga involving visitors from another world? Ancient astronaut theorists suggest humanity was guided or even created by intelligent beings from beyond Earth. Across ancient cultures, stories of sky beings shaping civilization are strikingly similar. Are these coincidences or clues to a forgotten past? The journey to uncover our true origins begins by questioning everything, and daring to imagine that the truth is far stranger than we ever believed. Zecharia Sitchin, a controversial scholar and author, ignited a global debate with his radical interpretations of ancient Sumerian texts. Sitchin proposed that our solar system is home to a hidden member, a mysterious planet he called Nibiru, sometimes referred to as the 12th planet. According to his research, Nibiru follows a vast elliptical orbit, bringing it close to Earth only once every 3,600 years. This idea, though dismissed by mainstream science, has fascinated countless researchers and enthusiasts, fueling speculation about the true history of our planet and the origins of humanity. Sitchin claimed that from this distant world came the Anunnaki, a race of giant, long-lived beings with advanced knowledge and technology. According to his translations, the Anunnaki journeyed across the cosmos and arrived on Earth in search of a precious resource: gold. Their own planet, Nibiru, was facing environmental catastrophe, and gold, with its unique properties, was believed to be the key to saving their atmosphere. The arrival of these extraterrestrial visitors, as described by Sitchin, marked a turning point in Earth's history, introducing new technologies and knowledge to our ancient ancestors. The Anunnaki established their first outpost in the fertile lands of Mesopotamia, a region that would later become known as the cradle of civilization. Here they began extensive mining operations, extracting gold from the earth using methods that, according to Sitchin, were far beyond the capabilities of early humans. The legacy of their presence, he argued, can still be seen in the monumental architecture and mysterious artifacts left behind in ancient Mesopotamia. However, the story takes a dramatic turn when the Anunnaki's own laborers, exhausted by the harsh conditions, rebelled against their overlords. Faced with a crisis, the Anunnaki leaders, Enlil and Enki, devised a bold solution. Drawing upon their advanced understanding of genetics, they decided to create a new workforce by manipulating the DNA of Earth's native hominids. Through a process that Sitchin described as a form of ancient genetic engineering, the Anunnaki combined their own genetic material with that of early hominids. The result was a new being, Adamu, the prototype of modern humans. This act, Sitchin argued, was not only the birth of Homo sapiens, but also the beginning of civilization as we know it, with the Anunnaki guiding and shaping humanity's early development. According to Sitchin, these incredible events are not mere myth or legend but are recorded in the ancient cuneiform tablets of Sumer. He believed that these texts, when properly interpreted, reveal a hidden history of our engineered origins, one that challenges everything we think we know about our past. If Sitchin's theories are true, it would mean that humanity is not simply the product of evolution, but the result of cosmic intervention, a legacy written in our DNA and echoed in the myths of ancient civilizations. The story of the Anunnaki and the 12th planet continues to inspire curiosity and debate, inviting us to question the origins of our species and our place in the universe. Gold was the Anunnaki's obsession, not for wealth, but for survival. According to ancient astronaut theorists, the Anunnaki, a mysterious race of beings from another world, came to Earth in search of this precious metal. But why gold? Some believe it was essential for their technology, perhaps even to repair their planet's atmosphere or power their advanced machines. This quest for gold, they say, was so vital that it shaped the destiny of our planet and its earliest civilizations. Ancient texts and mines in Africa suggest a deep, ancient connection between humanity and gold. In southern Africa, vast networks of prehistoric mines have been discovered, some dating back tens of thousands of years. These mines, carved into the earth with primitive tools, hint at a time when gold was extracted on a massive scale, long before the rise of known civilizations. Archaeologists and researchers have puzzled over who could have organized such efforts, and for what purpose. Could it be that these mines were the work of the Anunnaki, using early humans as their labor force? The theory claims our own fascination with gold is a genetic echo from our creators. Across cultures and continents, gold has always held a special place in human society, valued not just for its beauty, but for its mysterious allure. From ancient pharaohs to modern bankers, gold has symbolized power, immortality, and divine favor. Some suggest this universal obsession is no accident, but a legacy imprinted in our DNA by those who first mined gold on Earth. It's as if the memory of gold's importance was passed down through generations, shaping our myths, economies, and desires. The Sumerian texts describe the first humans as Lulu, mixed beings, created to serve the gods in mines and fields. These ancient stories, inscribed on clay tablets over 4,000 years ago, tell of gods who needed workers to toil in the harsh conditions of Earth. The Lulu were not entirely divine, nor entirely mortal, but a blend, engineered for strength and endurance. Their primary task, to extract gold and other resources for their creators. This narrative challenges our understanding of human origins, suggesting that our earliest ancestors may have been designed for a specific purpose. Stories like Adam and Eve may be echoes of this older tale, humanity as a genetically engineered workforce. The biblical account of creation, with its themes of forbidden knowledge and exile from paradise, mirrors the Sumerian myths in surprising ways. Some researchers propose that these stories are not mere allegories, but fragmented memories of real events, the manipulation of early humans by advanced beings. The idea of genetic engineering, once the realm of science fiction, now finds curious parallels in ancient texts and modern discoveries. Yet, within these myths, there's also rebellion. Enki, sympathetic to humans, gave us knowledge, sparking a conflict that echoes through history. Enki, one of the chief Anunnaki gods, is often portrayed as a benefactor who defied the will of his peers to uplift humanity. By granting us wisdom, language, and the arts of civilization, Enki set in motion a struggle between control and freedom, obedience and self-determination. This ancient drama, some say, is reflected in countless legends of gods, angels, and heroes who challenge authority for the sake of humankind. Are we the product of evolution, or the legacy of ancient star miners? The question lingers, inviting us to look deeper into our past and reconsider what we know about our origins. Whether myth or reality, the story of the gold miners from the stars continues to captivate our imagination, urging us to seek answers among the ruins of ancient mines, the symbols of lost civilizations, and the mysteries written in our very genes. Mainstream scientists overwhelmingly reject the ancient astronaut theory. They argue Sitchin's translations are flawed, and that there's no evidence for Nibiru or alien mining. Archaeologists explain ancient mines as human endeavors, and geneticists see no sign of extraterrestrial DNA. The sudden rise of Homo sapiens is attributed to rapid evolution, not intervention. Yet, the theory persists because it offers a grand narrative that connects global myths and mysteries. It speaks to our desire for cosmic purpose and answers to the unexplained. The debate continues between scientific skepticism and the allure of a cosmic heritage. In the cradle of civilization, where the Tigris and Euphrates rivers once nourished vast and fertile plains, lies the ancient land of Sumer, modern-day Iraq. It is here, among the remnants of mud-brick cities and silent ziggurats, that the enigmatic story of the Anunnaki first takes root. The whispers of Sumeria echo through time, inviting us to peer into a world both alien and familiar, where myth and history intertwine. The Sumerians were pioneers of human achievement. They built the world's first true cities, Uruk, Ur, Eridu, laying the foundations for urban life as we know it. Their greatest invention, cuneiform writing, allowed them to record their thoughts, beliefs, and daily lives on thousands of clay tablets. These tablets, painstakingly preserved for millennia, offer us a window into their civilization and, crucially, their gods. The Sumerian pantheon was led by powerful deities: Anu, the supreme sky god; Enlil, the lord of the air; and Enki, the wise god of water and creation. These gods are often depicted as majestic, sky-faring beings, sometimes with wings or elaborate headdresses, suggesting a connection to the heavens. Their stories speak of cosmic battles, divine councils, and the shaping of humanity itself. Among the most mysterious Sumerian records is the King List, a chronicle of rulers stretching back into the mists of prehistory. It describes kings who reigned for thousands of years, their rule interrupted only by a cataclysmic flood. After this deluge, the reigns become shorter, more human, as if marking a transition from a mythic age to the dawn of recorded history. The Sumerians' knowledge extended far beyond the Earth. Their tablets reveal a sophisticated understanding of astronomy, including detailed star maps and references to planets invisible to the naked eye, worlds that modern science would only rediscover thousands of years later. How did they acquire such knowledge? Was it the result of careful observation, or something more extraordinary? These mysteries have captivated scholars and dreamers alike. Did the Sumerians invent these stories as allegories, or were they documenting real encounters with advanced visitors, beings who shaped their destiny and left an indelible mark on human history? The debate continues, fueled by every new discovery and every deciphered tablet. As we gaze upon the silent ruins and the enigmatic symbols left behind, we are challenged to reconsider the origins of civilization itself. The legacy of Sumeria endures, whispering to us across the ages, urging us to seek the truth behind the myths and to question what we think we know about our ancient past. The story of sky gods creating humanity is global. In Egypt, gods descended from the stars. In the Americas, creators shaped humans and brought knowledge. In Australia, dreamtime spirits came from the sky. The Hindu Vedas describe flying vimanas and cosmic battles. Are these myths or fragmented memories of real encounters? Mainstream scholars see archetypes, ancient astronaut theorists see history. Across continents and millennia, the same story repeats. We were shaped by beings from the sky. Are these universal myths, or evidence of a shared, extraordinary past? The sudden emergence of complex language and writing is a mystery. Ancient traditions claim language was a gift from the gods, Enki in Sumer, Thoth in Egypt, Itzamna in Maya culture. Sumerian cuneiform appeared fully formed, with no clear precursor. Did the Anunnaki teach us to communicate, accelerating our rise to civilization? This gift extended to knowledge of law, medicine, and astronomy, often attributed to divine teachers. The Dogon of Mali possess knowledge of the Sirius star system, which they credit to visitors from the sky. Is this coincidence or evidence of ancient contact? Around the world, ancient art depicts strange beings, large heads, big eyes, helmeted figures. Petroglyphs in Italy, cave paintings in Australia, and Saharan rock art show figures resembling modern depictions of aliens. Legends describe these beings as sky spirits or teachers. Hybrid creatures, fishmen, bird-headed gods, appear in Sumerian, Babylonian, and Egyptian art. Artifacts like the Saqqara bird and Quimbaya jets resemble advanced technology. Are these symbolic, or attempts to record what our ancestors witnessed? The line between myth and memory blurs in stone and gold. Have aliens shaped our past? The evidence is tantalizing but inconclusive. Mainstream science relies on tested, observable processes. Ancient astronaut theory dares to connect the unexplained. Both perspectives fuel our search for origins, one grounded in skepticism, the other in curiosity. The debate is not just conflict, but a conversation that keeps us questioning. Ultimately, the choice of what to believe is yours. Are the stories of the Anunnaki pure myth, or echoes of a forgotten truth? The quest for answers continues, and perhaps, the truth is still out there.